you, baby. 오늘 위해 노래하게 해줘. Yeah, I wanna kiss you, baby. 내가 너의 남자라 말해줘. Yeah, 이 거리 위를 걷자. 다들 부러워할 거야. 오늘 넌 내게 난 너의 ex-boy 돌이킬 순 없을까. 우리가 행복하던 대로.
알아 난 ex-girl 뒤돌아 떠나고서 이제 와서야 왜 너와 이 추억에 힘겨워할까.
Yeah, my little princess 그냥 여친이라 하긴 뭐했지. 우리 이쁜이 종일 보고 또 봐도 너무 좋았어. 매일매일 너의 얘기를 듣고 또 들어봐도 너무 좋았어. Yeah, yeah. 이제는 시간이 다 됐나봐. 우리도 남들과 똑같나봐. 재밌는
I like it. Savage.
사랑하던 너야. 우주에 사랑한다 할 거야. 오늘이 가기 전에 네가 내 불만에 들어왔으면 해. 누구보다 널 원해. I want you, baby. 매일 난 네가 내 여자였으면 해. 오늘도 난 기도해. 여보 말고 우리 공주님 뭐 했니?
근데 난 네 좋은 남자친구 전처럼 돌아가고 싶을 뿐이고 전 남친이란 말이 전으로 돌아갈 수 있다는 가능성은 possible.
이미 늦은 거란 걸 잘 알고 있어. 네가 나를 외면할 거란 것도.
By the way, these are hot. Check it out. I'll link it.
도대체 내게 무슨 일이 일어난 거야. 시간을 되돌리고파. 너도 알고 있잖아. 이제 너를 봐도 감동 없어 하는 거. 하지마 나도 너를 울리고야 말걸.
아무것도 모른 채 너의 눈은 날 가득 담고 있잖아.
사랑한다 할 거야. 오늘이 가기 전에 네가 내 불만에 들어왔으면 해. 누구보다 널 원해. I want you, baby. 매일 난 네가 내 여자였으면 해. 오늘도 난 기도해. Amen. 어렵게 날 보겠지만 하루만 다시 너와 있고 싶어. 난 너의 ex-boy 돌이킬 순 없을까. 우리가 행복하던 대로.
알아 난 ex-girl 뒤돌아 떠나고서 이제 와서야 왜 너와 이 추억에 힘겨워
있어.
저기에 먼저 도착한 너가 보여. 밝은 웃는 너의 얼굴로 시간을 뒤로 돌려. 빨리 감기던 너와의 순간들이 지금 멈춰서 다시 돌아보니 녹고 있네 쿠키 열었던 내 맘의 봄이었던 널 밀어냈던 내가 잠깐 너를 홀로 두고 혼자 있을 생각. 후회가 될 때쯤에 내 손을 잡고.
Guess where we're back at Lazy Ant. I'm not filming anymore. I'm a little sad. But whatever. Not filming with anymore, but I'm here anyways. Some things had to change last minute, so I can't. I'm still gonna see them on set, and even though we're not gonna be shooting with them on my behalf, so I won't be like doing things with them, they're still shooting for the Snoopy Awards, so that will be exciting. I'm gonna still be like in the same room with them, look at them, breathe their air, and like try not to fangirl, so that's good enough. I don't know if I can vlog, but if I can, I will. If I can't, then
wash my hair.
Looks rose gold now.
Yeah, I like this color.
It looks like your hair, yeah. Yours just a little bit more vibrant.
I mixed salmon pink with April Skill peach pink. Yeah, that smells so good. Salmon so good. Salmon smells good. Salmon smells so good. I went to SM and then not pulling your hair out.
I'm like trying not
Stylist is gonna yell at you. Half of it's gonna be like gone, like it's gonna be like this short, and half of it's gonna be long.
I've been pulling out my hair like every day.
Yeah, it's really not good. And then she keeps handing it to me.
Yeah, I was like, can you hold my hair?
Hey, we need to do a view. Wait, can you send me the photo of you holding your hair?
So,
as exciting as you think it's gonna be.
With Ace, yes.
You were like losing your mind.
MONSTA X
Is this mine?
right there.
This is mine.
I don't know, but MONSTA X is here. Well, 3 of them? 4 of them?
4 of them.
Shona made direct eye contact.
They're good looking. They're good
and
looking.
you know, he's like,
He needs to get his roots re-dyed.
I need to take out my rubber bands. I'm gonna be like this.
Like vlog their album.
No, I can't.
Oh, you're vlogging.
They're like right there. I can't get them in the shot. So
I'm excited.
I'm gonna replay this and just watch back and be like, oh my god, they're right there. oh, wait.
What?
Reenact what happened to when Shona came. So
Okay.
we were standing right here.
Okay.
And then Shona came through right here, this door.
Let me just like beat him.
Okay. Okay, she was Shona. I'm right here, okay? This is how it happened. So can do it to me. This is me, this is Shona. What do you do? I'm so excited, man. Yeah. I'm still a little shook. They're like back there. I can't show them on camera. Children, I had a moment, okay? Leave me alone.
It's recording.
Just Lodono sitting next to the table that I am and sitting, pretending that nothing's happening.
Pretending that we're sitting at the same table.
I'm gonna go sit there.
Yeah, I know.
They're just chilling right there. I look a mess. Oh my god.
You look fine.
Christina, help me.
No, it's okay. You don't need help. Ask one of the stylists to fix them for you. Why is there always a delivery person that like walks in here like while we're shooting?
They know.
Do a model walk.
Model watch? Why
From back there.
like a
From back there.
close up on my skirt?
Okay, action.
Get out!
I just fixed it. You ruined it this time. Oh my god. Okay, she's done. She's done. She's done. We're not doing this anymore. She's done. Oh, do the dance. Do the dance you learned yesterday. No. Do this thing. Do this thing.
I can't. I'm great, I know. I'm still here, guys. Hi. I'm not awkward at all. Oh my god.
You look so cute. Look at you. I'm gonna video you. What are you doing with your tongue? You're flicking your tongue.
They're signing their stuff in front of me right now, but I can't film. If only I could flip the camera over, but I can't.
Just do it really fast. Like,
I am the one your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
My hair keeps... I want them to sign my phone.
do you want them to sign your phone?
I kind of... Show them. It's okay. No, it's okay. I'm just tired. If you guys excuse me, I...
In the arms of the angel.
I knew a member was missing. I was gonna say, if you excuse me, I'm gonna come sit. They were waiting in this area. I'm just gonna sit down where they were sitting. Yay! Briefly passed by.
Are you sure? Have you seen my team?
Are you saying A's? We're like, wait up. Here are the things they signed.
Cameraman.
Wow, cute cards.
Do you know which one's his signature? Channel?
No.
I think it's this one. This is I am. That's I am. I think that looks like an S.
So they wrapped up filming and they left. I'm so sad I couldn't get like a photo or video with them, but I mean, it's okay. Saw them and we made a lot of eye contact, and that's all that matters, is making eye contact. I'm really cold, so I'm gonna put on my coat. And the wrapper. Oh, cute. Such great eye contact. Okay. Send it over the ace though. Yeah. So nice. Can't explain. Dinner finger. Ow. Dylan. Bob Dylan. So professional.
My name is Dylan.
Why is your name Dylan?
Because I love Bob Dylan.
Subscribe to his YouTube channel.
Hello, my fans. Sorry.
He's ready for YouTube.